Right, so I'm going to show you a demo of how this thing actually takes only 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, you will be able to crawl the entire site of your client, and in those same 10 minutes, you will have reports with your agency services on them and with real client issues that you can use to go to this client, send them an email, and then just tell them, hey, these are the things that we saw, we take care of your website, and we think that we could do this together. And then the report actually pitches your services, and you end up upselling and cross-selling your clients. Also, you can use everything that you see in the report to get monthly retainers from your clients. You will see in our samples and in our prompts that we have many things for selling social media services, advertising services, all of which will ensure you will get monthly retainers from your clients. So basically, you won't create a website once and then you'll never make any kind of money from those clients. You will actually get monthly retainers, and you will increase the value of working with that client. So you're going to have a much better relationship, and you're going to be able to offer a lot more things. So you've seen that until now in the video, I've actually made settings for the crawler. You can pause and you can watch my video to see the kind of settings that I've made. After I've made all the settings, I just have to click on start syncing, and this is the sync. So currently our crawlers, they go and they try to take data about 53 different columns and access them. So that's one of the things that you get. So right now I'm actually searching for my prompts. You won't have to do this, obviously, because the prompts are going to start appearing in ContentLook, and it will be as easy as just clicking on them. So you won't have to copy paste as I'm doing right now. This won't be an issue starting next week, so you will just have the prompts directly in your AI agent, and then you can use the exact prompts you want, or you can actually roll over all of the prompts and see what kind of results you get so that you know what to sell to your client. And you can find many different ways of making the sales happen. So this is the coolest thing that I've seen in the test so far, is that I've been able, for many clients that we have, I've been able to actually see tons of opportunities, and I've actually had calls and I've had meetings with these clients, and I saw that they were super impressed because they felt like I've done a lot of research for them, which wasn't paid. So it would look like a lot of hours of work that I've done just to take care of them, and they were like super excited, super positive, and they were happy to hear about the many things that we can do together. Because these reports, they aren't like, you get this wrong, you get this wrong, you get this wrong. No, they're very positive. It's like, hey, we can work together and we can make something amazing happen. And you will see that in the reports when they are generated by the AI. So currently, ContentLook takes the data from this client website, and it keeps scrolling. I keep refreshing so that I show you how easy it makes this all feel in real time. So this entire video is not gonna take more than 10 minutes, and you will see that you can actually do everything that we say on our homepage in 10 minutes. You could even, in that time, you could actually even send emails to your client, but I haven't done that because I've started explaining and going through the interface to show you a lot of things. But you could basically do the same thing in 10 minutes. Right now I'm selecting a lot of cool things just to show you that ContentLook can actually have 53 things that it shows you. So as an agency, you could even use this if you want to analyze the data yourself, but I really think that it's much easier to just let the AI handle all the data processing for you. But if you want, you can select as many things as you want to see here in the table. So you just click on submit, and then you see that everything changes in the view. So behind, ContentLook actually crawls everything that you've made as a setting inside crawler setup. So all these things will be crawled because you've crawled them in crawler setup. But what you do here with the table view is that you actually select just the kinds of things that you want to see on your screen. So that's the only difference, the kind of stuff that it surfaces for you as an agency. For me, this kind of thing was very helpful because we have hundreds of sites. yeah, so a lot of sites, and for most of them we actually have Google Search Consoles and Google Analytics. So it was like really easy to see how each site was doing, just by looking at the tables and switching over from one website to another in ContentLook, and then you get an easy glance, and you can choose which columns you want to focus on and go from website to website, and you get like this is easy columns, and you can just see if everything is wrong, how everything works, and stuff like that. So I'm just waiting just a bit more because I remember this site has over 30 pages. So just a bit more to give the crawler time to access everything. It actually takes the whole content, it interprets the JavaScript, it asks for a lot of things, it does calculations, it calculates the optimization score as it's crawling. So it's not just basic crawling, like just gathering data, it's also calculating and doing a lot of processing behind the scenes. So it's not just a simple like just looking at this URL and grabbing text. No, that's not it. It's actually analyzing a lot of stuff, and it's also connecting with the APIs. So right now I go and I create one that's made specifically for analytics, and I will call this Report AI. We also have another kind of AI that's called the Ask AI, but this one is for reports. And I'm gonna hit play, and you can already see my AI. So I will just say something. This prompt is not good actually. I forgot this is one of those that I haven't optimized, so I have to scroll and I need to search for the list where I've optimized them. Right, so here we have one, and you can see that it's already checking the website and preparing the answer. So this is a clear indicator that our AI knows what to do with the reports. So it's already minute 7, and you can see that the job is done. I could be using the rest of the time to send this email over to the client. So you can see when it gives the reply, it's for you as an agency, and it tells you exactly what you need to say to the client. So you don't have to read the data and think about how to send this over to the client. It's already made. And I'm going to show you some other reports. We have tons of things that you are going to find directly inside ContentLook. You won't need to have to do a lot of copy and pasting from different documents. So this is using metrics from the reports to see what kind of cool things we could sell to them. And you see, so the solution is like to maximize the opportunity, and we actually pitch. So our AI actually pitches the service directly to your client. So you can just copy and paste this thing. You can edit it if you want to change some ideas, but otherwise you can just send it because it already says our team can assist in creating these things. So that's how you can win new calls with your existing customers. You will even be able to use this for people who you've been prospecting and get them to actually convert to clients, but you can also use this on existing clients so that you can sell them more services and upsell to higher plans. And you can even end up doing everything for them. I mean, you can offer them based on the reports. You'll see we have other prompts that you can play with and identify things that will help you sell social media services, advertising services, conversion rate optimization services. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do. As you can see, if you're interested, our team can assist. So we always say that. We can assist. And the client gets like a really nice report. It's really nice to read. He gets, real URLs with real scores. You can prove the scores, you can prove everything. Even the clients know this. So with some of the clients that we did this, they actually knew they had certain pages that went well, certain pages that didn't go well at all. So when when we showed them the report, they knew that we weren't just talking nonsense.